Hello everybody, this is actually the C.H.A.B.I.S YouTube channel speaking, Peter Guhl. But this is just to test if the mask also works as a preventor for wind noises, for breath noises in the microphone. It sounds quite a bit like it. I can't hear anything in the speakers. It's pretty loud now. Yes. Yeah, pretty okay with this. So it would actually make sense to wear a mask when speaking into the microphone, since this microphone does not have anything to prevent wind noise. Of course you can hear me breath, but here you now have the sound, typical sound. And now you don't have it. Maybe I could also put a piece of the mask in front of the microphone. That would look a bit less strange. But yes, it actually works wearing a mask if you do audio only. It may actually be worth a try. Especially in the current times when you're sitting in front of a microphone others use too. It would actually make sense in more than one way to wear a mask. Because the slight muffling of the sound, I guess that can be I don't get the word. Compensated, yes, that could be compensated by the amplifiers, most likely. Except my beard scratching on the paper, that's probably not so perfect, but yeah. Anyway, I'm quite happy with the result. I'm not sure if I will ever send this, but it's at least possible that I use it as kind of an in-between video somewhere, because it actually does have some technical information in it. And to add a bit more, this is the mixer I use. So I actually have a pretty good stack of technology here in my current setup. So just as you know, it's not the most modern equipment, not at all, but it does a good job. And I have quite a bit of control. I could also mix several sound sources here, do some live mixes with music and stuff, if I want to, or if I ever had to. So yeah, there is potential for not the worst videos. Of course, it's not the technology making the video, so it does not mean there will ever be great videos, but it's not the technology holding me back. So that's it. Enough rambling, and thank you very much for watching until the end, and have a great day. Bye.